Hey everybody, it's down here. Uh, I'm in Massachusetts right now, you know. Cape Cod, well, probably backwards anyways, but yeah, Cape Cod. Can't really see the ocean yet. Can't go swimming because great white shark 30 feet away from the shore. So yeah, gotta do a little burping tutorial. Well, no, hard to explain how I do it. You can do it two ways. You gotta like be able to open up your esophagus that goes to your stomach, and you gotta go. Hope I haven't eaten for a while because of the road trip. So, it's gonna be pretty loud. Yeah. But, or you can just do it my way. I don't know how I do it. You just, like, listen, you gotta go. I'm sorry! The people all the way over there heard me. Alright, I'll try to do that one more time and see what they do. Thanks for watching, bye.